Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a unboxing. I have a little Chanel unboxing. So I want to take this flower off. And I've already unboxed this item. I just cannot wait to see it. So it's a smaller item. I wonder if you guys can guess what it is. Let's see, take this box off. Let me get this box off. I've got just like a little card with my a card and my receipt. I did make this purchase over the phone, so they shipped it to me. And this is the dust bag, and it has the item in it. So if you haven't already guessed, I got a Chanel case. That is what I purchased. I purchased a Chanel case in red caviar leather with gold hardware. See the gold? See the CC on the zipper? There is a Mona Lisa pocket on the back. The pocket is large enough to fit a phone in it. But I'm not going to store my phone in it because I'd be scared to stretch it out. I am going to store like gum, maybe some cash, a couple cards, things like that. I'll put that in this pocket. In the inside is a red lining. And in this pocket right here, I just got the, there is just some information. There is the Chanel authenticity card and then some information about the item and how to care for it. So I got a Chanel case. I am so excited to be adding this to my collection. I got this for the spring and summer. I wanted a red clutch. So when I seen this, I was like, this would be perfect. I've always wanted an case. Now Chanel calls it the Chanel. It's called a classic pouch. Is that what it's called? I believe that's what it's called. If it's not, then I'll write it on the screen. But I believe it's called the classic pouch now. And I got this in the regular size. I believe this is like a regular size. They have a smaller size, and then they have a larger as well. And the larger size, I just felt like would just be a little overwhelming for me. So I got this to add to my collection. I needed a dressier clutch. I have some events coming up this year, and I was like, oh, I need a little clutch to go with my outfits. So this is going to be perfect. It can be dressed up or down. So I'm really excited, and it's like the perfect size. It's not too big and it's not too small. You can still fit quite a bit in here. It does expand, so you can fit quite a bit in here, like all your necessities, your phone, hand lotions, lip glosses, cash, things like that, like a little not a wallet but a card case. You can fit that in here. So I'm just really, really excited for this item. I love it. I love the color. It's so pretty. This is from the 20C collection. This clutch is from the 20C collection. And I know it is 7.8 inches by, I want to say 10.8. And I know this right here is 0.4. So I'm really excited. It reminds me a lot of my Gucci Ophidia pouch. Except my Ophidia pouch is just a little bigger. Just a tad bit bigger than my Chanel. But they are the same height. But the Ophidia pouch is a little longer. And I want to say the Chanel is 10.8, and I want to say the Ophidia is 11 inches. So I'm gonna look up the dimensions, and I'll put them on the screen for you or in the description box. They remind me a lot of each other. This is expanded a little because I had this one stuffed. I have this stuffed right now. But yeah, I'm just so excited for the spring and summer to be carrying my little pop of color. So I'm going to just show you a little bit of what can fit in this bag. So I've got my Louis Vuitton key clay. So I'm going to put this in there. I've got a Laneige lip mask. This is the travel size. This is in mint cocoa. Put this in there. I've got a nail file. Put this nail file in here. I'm just putting random stuff here just to show you how much it can fit. I've got some Dove hand cream, intensive cream. I really like that. This is a Tide pen because I am clumsy. And I have a Dolce & Gabbana The One. I love this fragrance. I've always loved this. I've been wearing it for years. Got this little roll-on. A lip gloss. This is actually a Chanel lip gloss. This is, I think it's called Flirty. It doesn't say on here. It says 166. I think the name of this is Flirty. I don't know. I'll look it up. I'll put it in the description box. And some more like little lotion. It's like a face cream. This is actually a sunscreen. Yeah, the sunscreen. Makeup wipes. As you can see, it still looks nice. It's not overstuffed. The leather feels so good. And it's still nice and dainty. Goes right underneath your arm. Nice little vibe for the summer and spring. So it can fit quite a bit in here. Oh, my keys. I didn't put my keys in here. Let's put my keys in here. My keys definitely fit. So I put all those items in here. And, I mean, you still got space. You could still add some other things if you wanted to. I don't want to overstuff it. So that's about as much as I would put in here. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini unboxing. I'm so excited about this piece. It's a classic piece. It'll never go out of style. It's so classy. I just love this the quilted leather on it, and it feels amazing, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in how I plan on styling this for the spring and summer, then give this video a thumbs up, and always stay blessed. Bye.